Now we'll set the date. Pull the crown out halfway and turn it away from you, and you'll see the days turning over: Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Now to set the numerical date, you turn the crown in the opposite direction towards yourself, and you can see it turning over there: 7, 8, 9, etc. That's how you set the date, with the crown pulled halfway out on the Swiss-made Swatch watch. We keep turning the crown until we get our correct date set. 23, 24, 25. There we go. That's today's date, Wednesday the 25th. Now it's set. If you want to learn how to service, repair and restore 19th and 20th century mechanical clocks, then subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell.
Good morning.